Imagine if a rental car can drive itself to a customer's doorstep, saving them a trip to the rental station. When it arrives, the customer simply gets in and drives it off like any other car. We call this empty vehicle automation, where a vehicle will run in autonomous mode when no passenger is sitting inside it. As a company that started with making autonomous shuttles for college campus environments, Auro, now the autonomous driving division of Ridecell, has a long history in this industry. In modern car-sharing fleets, this technology can be used to autonomously reposition empty cars from low-demand zones to high-demand zones, such as transit hubs, to increase fleet utilization. In crowded areas, it can save the hassle of finding a parking space. After a passenger gets off at the desired destination, the car, now empty, can drive itself autonomously to a remote parking lot. These are all examples of the Level 4 autonomy applications that we are developing. Equipped with multiple LiDARs, cameras, radars, and other sensors, the autonomous vehicle covers a complete 360-degree view of the surroundings to detect and navigate around pedestrians and other vehicles on the road. We are actively testing our AVs on public roads to handle a variety of scenarios like this. Or like this. A combination of LiDARs and thermal sensors allows our vehicles to detect and respond to objects which otherwise might get missed by regular cameras in the dead of night.
The Auro team at Ridecell is working on empty vehicle automation, which is focused on helping cut down all of those miles where a human is just transporting a car to fueling, cleaning, maintenance stations. With a strong focus on fleets at Ridecell and our strength in near-term real-world applications, we expect to be one of the first companies to create real-world value out of autonomous vehicles.
Empty vehicle automation is the next breakthrough in AV technology from Ridecell. Come, join the revolution.